Good morning, everybody, and looks like the DAX has broken through its trend line. You can see the trend line we were looking at yesterday. We did have a level in to pay attention to as well, but that doesn't look that smooth for me, and that was at 16,663. So not entirely sure we have decent price action here. It is still technically a lower low on the 8 hour. You can see there's the first low, second low, third low is right over there at 16,802, and you can see how this little swing high was stopped and pretty much broke below the bottom of the previous green bar. So could be a megaphone forming there. It could just be a retest of the break. A little bit of uncertainty on the higher time frames, and if you look at the oscillators at the moment, they are crossing over, but the moving average is also crossing over in a bullish stance, and we are above the 150. So you should be following a trend to the upside. So the last couple of weeks have been all over the place. So the risk here is that we're just bouncing back to form another low. Might be a higher low, or alternatively it is going to be a break, support, and then a move up, and that's going to give you an inverse head and shoulder. So there's a left shoulder, there's the head, and this would be the right shoulder. So just get that neckline in, and it is pretty much right here at 16,768. Now, as we go down to the levels that we're looking to trade today, you can see the absolute chaos of yesterday. Big rejection bar here, sideways. Buyers came back in and sort of drove it higher ever so slightly. But if you look left, you can expect a lot more of this chaos. One thing is certain, we do have a crossover of all the moving averages, so trend reversal is in play. We do have a break of a trend line, also trend reversal in play. And then we have a separation of the oscillators, and they're rolling over it. Or should I say rolling up to the upside, which is a bullish view. The only thing that is concerning is all these tails to the upside, where the sellers have been trying to drive this down. But we have equal amount of tails to the downside, which is indicating that buyers are coming in. Now, don't forget to hit that like button for us. Every little bit of interaction does help the channel. And looking at the hour, nothing really happening here. So did get a break above, got back below the trend line, respected it, and then it's just been this after hours session that we have this move up. So take it with a pinch of salt at the moment. I think you're still looking at 16,663 for support right now, and I'm assuming that this, yeah, so the cash market would have closed somewhere below 16,663. So all of this is after market or after hours price action. So take it with a pinch of salt. The S&P is looking really strong, but the Dow kind of looks a little bit shaky, like this does. We'll have to wait and see what is going to transpire here. So looking at the 15 minutes, which is what we would be wanting to pay attention to. If you look at the price action of yesterday, this was absolute chaos. We were above the 150 EMA, so you would have been looking for opportunities to the upside. Had this massive sell-off here, then you can see no respect for the level. Body opening below it, closing above it, so no respect there, no respect there. So obviously it's coming back. It did come back, came back again, and still no respect for that level. So for me at the moment, I would expect some kind of a move back down, and still waiting at 16,663. Is a breakout. Doesn't matter which way you look at it. We have broken through the trend line, but I don't like what I'm seeing here. Lots of gaps all the way up, all the way down. I just want to see where the gaps start. So the gaps start right here, just above the level. So 16,663 is a level to watch. You're looking for price to come back into that, and then you're looking for an opportunity to buy. That's kind of my view at the moment. We are going with the current trend on the hour, which is up, but we are kind of sitting with a little range, I suppose, in this trend. Very messy, so you really want to see a decent pullback, come back and test the trend line, come back and test the level, and then you're looking for a move to the upside. Targets the upside. Firstly, I would go with the high of yesterday at 16,768. If you do get above that, then I'd be looking for a pullback onto it, and then opportunity to buy on that pullback. So anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Still a little bit cautious, but leaning very much to a break to the upside that's going to get moving. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.